Carson Kenny. I'm a catcher. I go to Trinity College in Hartford, Connecticut, and I'm from Kensington, Maryland.
I'm Antonio Pino. I play second base. I go to Montgomery Community College, Germantown, and I'm from Albany, Maryland.
My name is Boris Santana. I attend Fisher College. I'm from Woodside, New York, and I'm a right-handed pitcher.
Probably setting the single-season hits record for my 5th grade rec team.
Playing with Kyle Norman, senior year.
My best baseball memory was when I threw a no-hitter.
Where?
Little League.
Probably the one that struck Ben Franklin's kite.
Oh, Kyle Norman by far.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that, Dom?
Dom's there.
Probably dog. Dog's got a life.
Do all dogs go to heaven?
I believe so, yeah. I've never met a bad dog yet.
Rabid mongoose.
A tiger.
Just working, going to the beach a lot probably, and just sleeping a lot. So I sleep. So that's about it.
Probably fishing on the Bonita Run with Kyle Norman.
Spending time in my neighborhood with my family.
Thank you.
You're welcome.